Who doesn't love Instagram, right? I mean, those stunning product images, those captivating videos, it's all about the vibes. And guess what? Now you can bring all that Instagram goodness straight to your Shopify store. With Tagembed, adding Instagram feeds to your Shopify store is a breeze. Let's walk through it together. Start by heading to our website's homepage. Scroll down to the footer of the page. Then click on the Shopify button. From there, select the Add Instagram Feed app by Tagembed and proceed to install the app. Once the installation is complete, you'll be redirected to the dashboard where you'll see two networks, Instagram and Instagram Business. With Instagram, you can create your personal handle and Reels feed, and with Instagram Business, you can create feed from any handle, mention posts, tagged posts, hashtags, and stories. Choose your preferred method. For example, here we'll select feeds from handle business. Enter your handle URL and click on the Create button. Authenticate your Instagram account to collect the posts. Congratulations, your handle feed is created successfully, and you can preview them on the right side of the screen. After collecting the feeds, proceed to the Customization tab. Here you can select a theme layout for your widget. Tagembed provides you different themes for every type of website. Choose the one that fits best to your web page. You can also personalize the selected layout, make changes in the card style, and more. Once customization is complete, move to the Filter tab to remove irrelevant posts. You can delete or make posts private and even add CTAs to your posts. Lastly, go to the Embed tab and copy the shortcode or HTML code according to your preference. For example, here we've copied the shortcode. Now, head to your online store from the left menu panel. Click on Customize button and navigate to the section where you want to add Instagram feed on your store. Click on the Add section button and go to the Apps tab. Add the Tagembed app. Click on the Tagembed app section and paste the shortcode here. Choose the position and width of the feed widget according to your requirement. Your Instagram widget is successfully embedded on your Shopify store. Finally, click on the Save button and you're all set. Your store is now loaded with Instagram feeds. Enhance the authenticity and credibility of your online store's social presence with Tagembed.